Okay, what is up? Welcome to Software Engineering Concepts in Python. In this video, as part of our Software Engineering Concepts in Python playlist, we are going to look at parameterized testing in Python. So parameterized testing actually executes a single test function with multiple input data sets, reducing code duplication while expanding test coverage. And this approach actually improves maintainability by defining test cases as data instead of separate functions. And when requirements change, you simply add new parameters, and it effectively tests boundary conditions and edge cases, ensuring consistent behavior and also revealing otherwise hidden bugs. So we'll look next at an example of parameterized testing with pytest. So the pytest framework actually makes parameterized testing elegant and straightforward through is at pytest.mark.parameterize the creator, and this powerful feature actually allows you to define multiple input values and expected outputs, run the same test logic against all combinations, get individual pass or fail results for each test case, and easily extend test coverage by adding new parameters. So you can see here what is happening. This is an example where you can take your time, write this code in your IDE line by line to make yourself a better developer to understand this parameterized testing. Okay, this is the decorator here, and the rest is the algorithm that helps this testing elegant and straightforward through is at pytest mark. Okay, so do well to give it a test and let's see how it goes. Let us know in the description. Yeah.